There are so many fun new goodies out for spring 2025, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the highlights. So whether you're a Mary Kay consultant and these power statements are helpful in communicating with your customers, or you're a Mary Kay customer yourself wanting to know all the juicy details about the new spring lineup. I love new product launches so much, I decided to wear my heart earrings. What do you think? Let's first kick it off with the After Sun and Sun Protection products by Mary Kay. Now, the first one is the After Sun Replenishing Gel, and this is a beautiful blue gel that is amazing to wear after sun. It's like aloe vera gel on steroids. It is cooling and soothing and feels very luxurious and hydrating without being greasy. It's perfect for windburn, sunburn, chapped skin, and I even have clients who've used it for chemotherapy treatments like radiation and also cancer treatments as well. So this is a fun blue gel. It took a little hiatus. It's back, limited edition. If you want this or think your family would benefit, make sure to snag a few bottles because once it's out, it'll be gone for the spring, but hopefully we'll make a comeback next year. Then our brand new hot off the presses, we are so excited to have an SPF 50 sunscreen, not only for your face, but also for your body. It is tested safe, and because we're a global beauty brand, it meets all of the rigorous standards for our new sunscreen requirements. It comes out, it's beautiful, it's not too thin, it's not too thick, and it doesn't feel greasy. It is so great because it not only protects your skin, SPF 50, but it also is water resistant as well. So this is brand new, hot off the presses. And if you're thinking, ooh, I want to get two of these, one for me and one for a family member, or maybe you want to get a bundle, one of each of the After Sun Gel and the sunscreen, then you can get, look at this beautiful Mary Kay beach towel for $5. It's so pretty. It has Mary Kay products, hearts on it. It is nice and cozy, so you can get that as a purchase with purchase for $5 when you get an After Sun Gel and a sunscreen or two of the sunscreens. Just ask us about it and we'll share with you the details if you forget how to get hooked up with that awesome beach towel. Next, let's take a look at Mary Kay's Great Heights Mascara. This is a lash lengthening mascara that replaces our Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. But don't worry, I think you're gonna be as impressed as I am. And I'm modeling it today. One of my clients, actually one of my friends, asked me if I was wearing false eyelashes because my lashes looked so long. No, I'm not wearing falsies, but yes, please. Another perk of this is not only does it help to lengthen your lashes, 43% longer looking lashes after one coat, 75% longer looking lashes after 3 coats. It also holds curl. And if you're someone who curls your eyelashes, you know how hard it is to find a mascara that will hold curl that isn't waterproof. And this is smudge resistant, water resistant, but not necessarily waterproof. So don't go swimming with this. But if you tear up a little bit or you have allergies, you'll be totally fine. And this will hold curl like none other. I think you're gonna love it. It's the new Great Heights Mascara. This is a regular line product, so it's part of our lineup from now on. A couple more special edition and limited edition products that I think you're gonna wanna know about because after all, it's the dead of winter or summer is around the corner and maybe we don't have our glow on yet, but we're wanting to. Mary Kay has new illuminating bronzers. We have 2 different colors. This one that I'm modeling today is called Medium Glow. It's best for my skin tone. We also have a Deep Glow as well for deeper skin tones. It has not only the bronze color, but also a little bit of shimmer to add that sun-kissed look. So whether it's the dead of winter or summertime, a beautiful glow is always in style. We also have a beautiful highlighting powder as well that's great for the tip of your nose, or the highlight on your cheeks. You can even use it on your eyelids. It's called Golden Glow and it's a special edition highlighter. Final new product is the brow kit that I'm also modeling today. By the way, I've done tutorial videos on the brow kit on how to use it because it features not only a pomade, but a brow powder and a highlight powder. I did a tutorial on that. I also did a tutorial on how to do bronzer without having bronzer gone bad. And then shared some tips about the Great Heights mascara as well. So check out those other 3 tutorial videos if those would be helpful. But with the brow kit, there's 3 different colors. I'm modeling the blonde. It also comes in brunette and dark brunette, has a pomade, which smooths your lashes, or your brows, and also gives them some dimension and texture. Then the brow powder and also the highlight. It comes with a spoolie brush for brushing your brows and a dual end angle brush as well for the pomade and the brow powder. Let me know what questions you have. I'm super excited about this lineup for spring 2025, and I'm excited to hear what questions you have, because here's the perk of having a Mary Kay beauty consultant if you're a customer, or being a Mary Kay consultant, is that we come for free with the products, right? We're gonna teach you the tips and the application techniques to help elevate your look and elevate your confidence every single day. Have a blessed day.